For each man can do best and excel in that thing in which he is passionately fond and believes in it as I do, that he has the ability to do it and in fact is born and destined to do it. The said quote was expressed by an eminent personality who was burning with a desire to do physics. It was his only ambition and he did it. He has inspired a generation of enthusiasts to choose science. One of them was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India and later President of India. Do you want to know who he is? He is none other than Homi Bhabha, an Indian physicist born on October 30th, 1909, was one of the pathfinders in nuclear physics research. For his undeniable contribution in this field, he is called the father of the Indian nuclear program.
In October 1933, his first paper was published on cosmic radiation. In 1935, Homi Bhabha obtained his PhD from Cambridge University. His research was concerned with cosmic rays. In 1939, Bhabha returned to India, accepting a position of leader of physics and establishing the Cosmic Ray Research Institute at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. During this period, he continued his research, experiments, and studies in quantum theory and cosmic radiation. His further research in the subject was soon recognized by the scientists all over the world, and he was elected Fellow of the Royal Society, London in 1941. When just 31 years old, he became the first scientist to enunciate the cascade theory of showers, now known as Bhabha scattering. This theory was very significant and was welcomed as such all over the scientific world. He wanted India to use nuclear energy for power production and have its own research centers and experts in these fields, so that she does not have to look abroad for her needs. He wanted India to use vast resources of uranium and thorium in nuclear power generation and have its own nuclear reactor. Therefore, with his exemplary initiative, the Tata Institute for Fundamental Research was founded in 1945 with the generous help and aid of J.R.D. Tata. He also played a significant role in the enactment of the Indian Atomic Act and founding of the Indian Atomic Energy Commission in 1948. Consequently, the Department of Atomic Energy was set up in 1954 with him as its secretary. Later, the Tata Institute for Fundamental Research was renamed as the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in his honor. Under his able guidance and inspiration, India has its first atomic reactor in 1956 and it was christened Apsara.
Homi Bhabha played a leading role in the planning and implementation of our national space program. It was because of his initiative that the Indian National Committee for Space Research was set up under Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. The Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station near Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, and the Indian Space and Science Technology Centre. In recognition of his great work and research, he was honoured with numerous national and international prizes, awards, and degrees. Many universities awarded him with honorary doctorates. He was given Padma Bhushan in 1954. Homi Bhabha died on January 24, 1966, in a tragic air crash on Mont Blanc, the highest alpine massif in southeastern France. We Prakashites would like to pay homage to this great personality with a quote of his. My success will not depend on what A or B thinks of me. My success depends on what I make of my work.